I'm installing this boat drain plug with a screen into this 26 quart Ozark Trail cooler. I want to show you guys how to do this. Okay, you see how this has a step here? There's a step. It's bigger and then smaller. All right, what you want to do is I started with a small drill right where I wanted it, a little bit of a bigger, and then I got a step drill, 1-inch step. Okay, what I did, let me try to zoom in, I'm using one finger. You see this last step? I didn't go that far. I went to the first step, meaning when I was inside the cooler, outside the cooler, I only went in this far. So this part right here where my nail is was exposed. On the inside, I only went in this far, right where my nail is. Okay? So now, I'm about to caulk. I'm about to put a bead of caulk around here. I'm about to put this in, but I just want to show you something. Okay? I put that in. Boom. There's my drain. I unscrew this. It's not screwed in yet. Hold on. Unscrew this. Okay? My water comes out. But let me show you this. Let me show you the inside, how clean this is. Somebody else made a video putting one of these drain plugs in, and they basically hacked their cooler. You see that? See how nice and tight that is? All right. So now I'm just going to put a little bead of silicone around there. Let it dry. Put a little bead outside, screw it in. Then come in, tilt the cooler like this. Okay? Put a little bead around there, and that's it. I'll never have any issues. That's the right way to put a drain plug inside your 26 quart Ozark Trail cooler. And this drain plug happens to be perfect, okay? The reason why I installed mine a little high, you can see here, is because I always like to have a little water on the bottom for my dog. All right? So that way I'll just tilt the cooler and get that water out, or I use a cup to scoop out and give her the excess water. But for the majority of the water, if I have too much water, I'm gonna undo this, pour it out. I can just tilt it a little bit, get some of that water out, and that's really it. But that's how you do it.